Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, as I promised, I'm back with the second part of the vlog from my vacation in Palma de Mallorca. And we will start with Cala d'Or, one of the most beautiful beaches and I think my favorite. Why? Because the landscape is amazing, guys. The golden sand and turquoise water surrounded by rugged rocks is something I will never forget. The only inconvenience is that in the summer it is very crowded, but my advice is not to miss it. It is really captivating. Another beach that I really liked is Cala Salmunia because of the impressive cliffs, the garages made especially for the shelter of the boats, and the orange color of the soil from which they were made. This color is due to the high concentration of the iron oxide or other minerals with orange hues in the soil. Climbing the rocks is a little tricky if you don't have the right shoes, but up at the top it's beautiful. Look at this cute little rainbow, guys. We spent some time here admiring the sea and the whole panorama. The next destination was the Es Colomer viewpoint. It is located in the Sierra Tramuntana mountain range, a place very visited by tourists that we also arrived at. After going up and down some stairs, we reached a rock 300 meters above the sea with a view that left us breathless.
The ambient music played by this boy, along with the scenery I was surrounded by, made me feel like I was in a fairy tale. On our way from one tourist attraction to another, we found this beach on the map. After searching some images on Google, we decided to go see it, and it was a win. Fine sand and crystal clear water. We explored that from one corner to another. I really liked it and I highly recommend it. I think the pictures say everything about this place.
The next tourist attraction we didn't want to miss was the Cap de Formentor Lighthouse. To reach it, we drove to Formentor Beach, where we stopped for approximately 30 minutes until the arrival of a bus that took us there, as car access is prohibited. The ticket cost between 2 and 3 euros one way, but it's worth it.
Cap de Formentor is a great place to walk, relax, and enjoy the landscape. The view is something special. Somewhere in the back, we came across some wild goats. If you watched the first video from Mallorca, you know this isn't the first time we see wild goats. But this one were very friendly. They came to the fence waiting for some food from the tourists walking around. I didn't have any food, but it was my chance to touch one of them. Later, while we were relaxing on the terrace, we had a surprise. One of the goats came out and we were a little frozen. because we didn't expect that he could jump that fence and we didn't know how he would react. But in the end, everything was okay.
This was the second part of the vlog. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all for watching and see you next time with the last part of the vlog.